Hi guys, today's video is going to be my June base Lumi Box. Exciting! These boxes are always so fun and I always get really excited getting them. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit disappointed this month because two of the products that I got in this box I'd actually already received in my April premium box, but the company weren't aware that I had changed boxes, they didn't have a record of it, and because they try and give everyone a fair share of the products that they give to the premium box and the products they give to the base box sometimes crossed over. Because of that, I have received products from the premium box from a few months ago, which unfortunately were already products that I received. But I contacted them and they were so nice about it, and they've put me on a list to so that they can keep an eye out for it on the future. And they've also said that they're gonna give me 2 extra products in my next box, which is just so nice. Honestly, this company, Lumi Box, has such good customer service, guys. If you're worried about trying this box because you're worried for any reason they'll rip you off, they are not gonna do that. They are such a good company and these are such good boxes. So with that being said, let's get into the box. Also, please excuse this. I have this rash on my nose that I keep getting and I've got cream for it, but it's just very red at the moment, unfortunately. So hopefully it calms down soon. We'll see what happens. But anyway, the theme of this month's box is Baby It's Cold Outside, because it is the start of winter. So that's pretty cute if you ask me. I think it's amazing. And they give some cute little random gifts. So they give you a little Nestle hot chocolate and also a Tim Tam, which is super exciting. I have made my hot chocolate for the video today and it's delicious, so I love little gifts like that. I think they always do it. They did it for Easter as well. And I actually purchased from the pop-up store in Easter and they gave me Easter eggs as well, which I thought was really cute. But anyway, sorry, my fringe is being funny. It's too long and I washed my hair yesterday, and usually I cut my fringe when I wash my hair. I didn't cut it yesterday and I regret that because it looks a bit too long. Too long and too thin. Anyway, it's just going to be a bad fringe for this video. I apologize. But anyway, the first makeup product that we are going to go through today is the Physicians Formula Insta Ready Face Primer. It's a mattifying primer with broad spectrum SPF 18. It provides weightless, invisible coverage that preps the skin to create a perfect canvas for flawless application, and it retails for $28. What is this? God, this just is not working for me. Why will you not come out? Oh my god, this is like a hand workout and a half. Okay. How long do you give it before you give up? Okay. Let's just take it out. It smells weird. It looks interesting. It's a little clumpy. Is it blocked? I feel like it's pumping. Oh, we got it. We got it. It just took a bit to get... Oh, there we go. It took a bit to get up there into that tube. Do you see that? It looks interesting. Let's just pop this on, shall we? Oh, it's very soft. It's a very interesting smell. I'm not sure if I would call it a natural smell. I feel like it's it's definitely one of those silicone-y primers, isn't it? I don't feel like I got enough on my forehead. Ooh. I do like the packaging. It's just annoying that it took so long to bloody work. I tell you what though, I do already feel incredibly matte. It feels really soft too, but I feel like definitely I look super matte now. And my pores do look really good. But I will say, I did notice this morning that my pores already looked really good. I don't know what I've done, but this morning my pores here just looked really small. And I was just trying to think of what skincare I'd used recently. So I'm not 100% sure if it looks much better, but it definitely hasn't made my pores look worse. It definitely looks matte and my skin feels nice and soft and smooth, so that is a good start. Let's see how my makeup goes on top of it. So I'm just gonna pop on foundation, concealer and powder, and I'll be back. Okay, so that is all done now. Now I am going to go into the next product, which is actually the choice product for the month. So this one is the Bronze Booster Highlight and Contour Palette. Define, sculpt and highlight your best features using this trio palette from Physicians Formula. So this palette actually comes with a highlight, contour and bronzer, and also a brush, which is pretty exciting. Just a thin angled brush, which I'll use for the contour shade because I think that's a good contouring brush. This also retails for $29.95 if you were wondering. So I've only paid $49 for this box, so already the first two products have totaled the cost that I paid. So it's definitely worth it if you ask me. But anyway, another product that this box came with. I'm not sure if you can hear that bird. Anyway, I'm just going to talk through it. Another product that I'm going to use with this bronzer that I received in this month's box is this. It is the Garbo and Kelly Defining Contour Brush. And it is a highlighting brush, so I will use it with the highlighting shade. It is super soft too, if you're wondering. But anyway, let's get contouring. It's kind of awkward. It doesn't fully open, like really wide. This month's choice product was this one, and there was like a sparkly one. I went for this one because I have a lot of sparkly highlighters and bronzers, but I don't have many like matte, especially highlighters, so I decided to go for this one. And I don't know, I like it so far. I feel like I've bloody contoured a hole in the side of my face. I don't usually contour, I'm not gonna lie guys. I mainly just I contour with my bronzer. And to be honest with you, I'm a bit confused because on the packaging, the color scheme, it looks like I'm using the bronzer as my contour, but usually contours are like a cooler brown. So I'm a bit confused because the middle brown here is definitely the coolest brown. So I would assume that this is the contour and this is the bronzer. But I may be wrong, but I am going to do what I think is right because I feel like that's the right thing. I'm such a blender outer. I think a lot of people are, let's be honest. You don't want like harsh lines on the side of your face. I'm also going to use this exact same brush to bronze with. I'm just going to gently go in and kind of swipe over where I've been with my contour, just a bit looser, and run it up here into my hairline a little bit. Just to warm up the cheeks and blend it all in. Please excuse the bird. If you could hear it, I'm really sorry. I can't really make it be quiet. I don't even know where it is. Oh, that is line. Blend. We're gonna have a very defined nose. Oopsie. Now that's looking a bit better. We can blend it out. I just needed to have the same on the other side. A bit too much. There we go. That's not too bad. I'm sure there's been worse than that before. I'm also just gonna do my jaw and take it down my neck a little bit to warm up my neck. This is probably not the best brush for this, but that's what we're using it for today. Oh gosh, I feel like that worked really well. I definitely don't know if this is, it's probably, to be honest with you, not the best brush to bronze with. I think it's definitely a good contour brush because it's good to get those harsh lines, but I like a super diffused bronzer, and I think it's nicer to have like a bit of a bigger brush to do that. But it's really soft, I'm not gonna lie, and it's worked really well. I think it is, I've just had to blend it a bit more back and forth than I usually would have to with a more diffused brush. Anyway, oh, I need to highlight. What am I doing? Why is it so hard to open? I'm going to be using the Garbo and Kelly Defining Contour Brush. Oh my god, this is so soft. This is insane. And it feels really cool too. Anyway, to highlight, this is just a matte highlighter, which I'm not gonna lie, I don't often use matte highlighters. So I'm like, this is strange to me. I'm just going to go under my eyes to brighten. We'll just use this today. I won't use any other form of highlighters. It's more natural, less glowy. And then I think I need to go down the center a little bit in my forehead and down here. I feel like that looks pretty nice. I like it. I will say there is a bit of kickback from the palettes, like when you put the brush in, there is definitely some powder that comes back up, which I mean happens and is to be expected, and I am quite aggressive with my brushes, so it does make sense that this happens to me. But anyway, that is done. Oh, did I say this brush retails for a whopping $45, which it feels so soft, so I think it's worth it. I actually love this Garbo and Kelly brand. I've discovered it in the Lumi boxes, and everything that I've got of theirs I love, so I'm just like, give me more please, Lumi Box. But anyway, that is that. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly finish off the rest of my makeup and I will be back to do the 2 final products with you. I completely lost my mind while doing the blush, so I've just added more of this shade over my pink cheeks because they were a lot pinker than this, if you can believe it. I just realized as well, I didn't get any eye makeup in this, but I'm just gonna quickly make a super quick fast look using this palette here. I'm just gonna go into this contour shade here, just with a fluffy shader brush, and this is gonna be my crease shade, and I'll take it under my eyelid as well. I've already popped on eyeliner. I just thought I'd do it first just to get it out the way. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm just gonna go into the light shade with a sort of fluffy shader brush, and I'll just pop this in my inner corner and just dust it a little bit onto my lid here. There we go, and that is gonna be this super simple look for the day. There we go. I thought I'd just do a look with that, so you can see multiple ways that this palette can be used. Even though it's only like technically designed for sculpting the face, you can also sculpt your eyes sort of with it. Anyway, I am just gonna chuck on eyeliner, mascara, setting spray, and I'll be back. There we go. So the last 2 products that I got in my box are the products that I already had that I'm getting 2 replacement products for next month. So they are the Gorgeous Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Christine and the Gorgeous Cosmetics lip pencil in the shade Barely There. They are both awesome products and I am so glad that I have them, but I was just like, oh, I already had them. I prefer not to, like, you know, kind of like waste my products, but it's so nice of them to give me 2 other products for the next box because of this like error, and I'm so grateful to them for that. So thank you, Lumi Box, if you're watching this. I really appreciate your help. I'm just gonna chuck on the ones that I got in my April box because I'll probably give these to my sister. I'm sure she'll love them. But anyway, let's chuck this on. I do love this color so much. It's such a good like nude browny pink. It's like really deep and just like warm and wintry and autumny and everything you need is starting out winter. Yay, it's cold now. It's actually horrible. We had some of the worst weather we've ever had the other day. Shocking. It was absolutely shocking. But anyway guys, I have to add up the box, so that's what I'm gonna do. So altogether this box equals a total of $157.95, which is insane considering I only paid $49 for it. Honestly, I enjoy these boxes so much, and even though I got like duplicate products, they are such good quality duplicate products. I just realized I didn't tell you how much these cost. So the lipstick is $30 and the lip liner is $25, so that is insane. Like, you were getting insane value in these boxes. Insane. But anyway guys, if you would like to subscribe to Lumi Box, I have a code down below that will get you 10% off your first box. If you would like to use it, I would be very grateful for that, so thank you. But obviously you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, and you don't have to use my code if you don't want to. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the products I used or anything that I did, let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you would like to like this video or subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate that too, and hopefully I will see you soon. Like products that the products that they give to the premium. It's a mattifying primer with broad spectrum blue. I tell you what though, I do already feel, oh that's useful. So I have a hair across my face. There we go. Multiple ways. Ooh.